A recession is a period of economic decline characterized by falling GDP, high unemployment, and reduced consumer spending. While recessions can be challenging, they also create opportunities for those who know how to take advantage of shifting economic conditions. Welcome to my channel. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various ways to make money during a recession, from smart investing to starting recession-proof businesses. Understanding economic cycles and strategically positioning yourself can help you not only survive but also thrive financially during downturns. Understanding a recession. Before diving into specific strategies, it's important to understand what causes a recession and how it affects different industries. Recessions can be triggered by various factors, such as high inflation, rising interest rates, or global economic disruptions. During a recession, consumer spending declines as people prioritize necessities over luxuries. Businesses reduce investments, leading to slower economic growth. Unemployment rises as companies cut costs by laying off workers. Stock markets become volatile, with some stocks losing significant value while others gain in uncertain markets. Real estate prices may drop, creating both risks and opportunities for investors. Understanding these economic patterns will help you identify the best opportunities for making money during downturns and avoiding common financial pitfalls. Investing during a recession. 1. Buy undervalued stocks. Recessions often cause stock prices to plummet, creating opportunities to buy strong companies at a discount. The key is to invest in companies with solid fundamentals that are likely to recover and grow when the economy rebounds. Consider blue chip stocks. These are large, well-established companies with a history of stability, strong balance sheets, and consistent dividends, making them resilient during economic downturns. Dividend stocks. Companies that pay consistent dividends provide a steady income stream, even when stock prices fluctuate. Defensive stocks. Industries like healthcare, consumer staples, and utilities tend to be recession-resistant as people continue to need essential goods and services regardless of economic conditions. 2. Invest in gold and precious metals. Gold is a safe haven asset that tends to increase in value when the stock market declines. Investors often turn to gold and other precious metals like silver and platinum as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. Investing in gold can be done in various ways: buying physical gold, such as coins and bars. Investing in gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Purchasing shares in gold mining companies. 3. Real estate investment opportunities. During a recession, real estate prices often decline, making it a great time to buy properties at lower prices. Smart real estate investors can capitalize on this by buying rental properties. With an increase in demand for affordable housing, rental properties can generate consistent cash flow. Fixing and flipping properties. Purchasing distressed properties, renovating them, and selling them at a higher price once the market recovers. Investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. These allow investors to earn dividends from real estate without owning physical properties, providing a passive income source. 4. Bonds and treasury securities. Bonds, especially government bonds, are low-risk investments that provide steady returns even during economic downturns. Investing in bonds can offer stable income. Government bonds pay fixed interest over time. Low volatility. Compared to stocks, bonds are less likely to experience dramatic price swings. Diversification. Adding bonds to an investment portfolio can help balance risk during market turbulence. Starting a recession-proof business. 5. Essential goods and services. People continue to spend money on necessities like food, healthcare, and household essentials, making businesses in these sectors more resilient. Some recession-proof business ideas include grocery and discount retail stores that cater to cost-conscious consumers. Healthcare services such as home healthcare, medical supply stores, and pharmacies. Auto repair and maintenance services, as people tend to repair old cars rather than buy new ones. Home repair and improvement services, since homeowners may choose to renovate instead of purchasing new properties. 6. Online businesses and e-commerce. During a recession, more consumers look for discounts and alternatives online. This makes online businesses highly profitable. Some popular options include dropshipping, selling products without maintaining inventory; selling digital products, e-books, online courses, and templates have low overhead costs and high profit margins. Affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting other companies' products. Subscription-based services, membership sites and software as a service, SaaS, platforms provide recurring income. 7. Freelancing and remote work. Companies cut full-time staff during recessions but still need services, making freelancing a great opportunity. High-demand freelance skills include writing and content creation for businesses looking to maintain an online presence, graphic design for branding and marketing purposes, video editing for YouTube and social media content, digital marketing to help businesses generate leads and sales, programming and web development as companies continue shifting to online platforms. 8. Consulting and coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, offering consulting services can be a lucrative business. Businesses and individuals seek guidance on managing finances, marketing, and operations during tough times. Popular consulting fields include business strategy and operations improvement, financial planning and investment consulting, career coaching and job placement assistance, taking advantage of market downturns. 9. Buy businesses in distress. Some businesses struggle or close during recessions. Buying struggling businesses at a discount and turning them around can be a profitable strategy. Look for small businesses with solid potential but poor management, franchises that have temporarily lost value but maintain strong brand recognition, merging businesses to create cost efficiencies and better market positioning. 10. Short selling stocks. Short selling involves betting against stocks expected to decline. While risky, experienced investors can profit by strategically shorting stocks of struggling companies. To succeed in short selling, conduct thorough research and analysis. Use stop-loss strategies to minimize risk. Be aware of market regulations on short selling. 11. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies may experience volatility during recessions, but certain assets like Bitcoin are often seen as a hedge against inflation. Investing in crypto requires understanding market trends and volatility, storing assets securely in digital wallets, diversifying within the crypto space to manage risk, cutting costs and maximizing savings. 12. Lower your expenses. Maximizing profit during a recession is not just about making money but also cutting unnecessary costs. Strategies include downsizing to a smaller home to reduce housing expenses, cutting out non-essential subscriptions and memberships, negotiating lower bills, including credit card interest rates and insurance premiums. 13. Increase emergency savings. Having an emergency fund can help you take advantage of investment opportunities without financial stress. Aim to save at least 6-12 months' worth of expenses to cover unexpected costs and seize economic opportunities. While recessions create economic challenges, they also present opportunities for those who are prepared. Whether through smart investing, starting a recession-proof business, or cutting costs, there are many ways to thrive during economic downturns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more money-making strategies, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments, what's your recession-proof income strategy? Let's grow together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.